Michelangelo, what did we tell you about eating jelly bean and sausage pizzas before you go to sleep?
Hello and welcome back to Kirk Kooks. Toppings on this one, jelly beans and sausage.
The sauce, smear that round the cheese. Then let's add some chorizo onto this. Then let's add some of the cocktail sausages. Then let's add some of the jelly beans. These jelly beans are all different flavours, so I guess every bite would taste different. See how many bites we actually eat.
Michelangelo, what did we tell you about eating jelly bean and sausage pizzas before you go to sleep?
Okay, depends on the jelly beans if you can really. I just got a cinnamon one. That was really strong. I could really taste that. Let's try the cocktail sausage side. The flavour of the cocktail sausages is nowhere near as strong as the chorizo, so you really notice the jelly bean flavours coming through in this one. Not terrible, but it's nowhere near as nice as the chorizo one was, so I guess obviously it works with the chorizo because the chorizo overpowers it. Cocktail sausage is not so much.